All right, let's take this outside for a test run. Okay, so first thing we got to do is we got to turn it on, right? When you do that, it makes that weird noise, and then if you look, you're going to see this thing right here. Now, we could use the light if we wanted to. You know what I mean, jelly beans? But it's daylight, right? And it's a little wet here on the patio, but what we're going to try to do is blow some of these wet leaves off of here. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a look at it here. To turn it on, I've got to press this button right here. It's going to be low first. You know? Now I'll go up higher. Right? All the way. Boom, got it. And then to turn it off. All right. I mean, when I'm doing that, the pressure on my hand, it's pushing it back. And you got to remember, this is all wet. So this is the hardest leaves to move, right? I mean, check them out. They're like soaking wet, but it's still doing it. When I turn this on, it's like pushing my hand back, the power. So it's really strong. So it works pretty good, I've got to say. It's definitely worth it, I think. I mean, this is so much easier than those giant blowers. So I would highly recommend it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I blow stuff. Peace out.